What was that? I actually, Tina, I'm serious. I heard something. It might be coyote, Bigfoot, maybe. I guess it's... This is where it's important to know your site number again, which is what site number?
15.
15. All right. Yeah. 15 it is. Yes, we do. And I'm pretty sure I'm on the level this one.
Okay. I'm going to look around here. We have the campsite to ourselves. Wow, the campground where we're staying is empty. It's only us on this area.
You want to get the pups out? It's 22 inches off. There's no way I can level that off 22 inches.
Hi guys, you've been so good on this trip. Are you ready to get out?
Just hold up. I'm gonna go over to 13. Lucky 13.
Is that better?
Better. I want to make sure how far back I had to go.
You got everything you need?
Yeah. All right, almost there. All right, Tina, just explain what happened.
Well, we get here, and first of all, campsite is a beautiful campsite. But we get here, and we're at site 15, and it's way too high, David.
Well, not so much high, but it has such a slope on it that it was like 22 inches. I had to lower it 22 inches in the front. There was no way I was gonna be able to make that happen. So, because the campground is totally empty, I mean, totally empty, I just found the most level site that I could, and even that one was almost 9 inches off. So we're walking up to the front office to get the phone number, give them a call. I guess we could probably do that from the rig actually, but it's a nice evening. It is an absolutely beautiful campsite.
Right, it is.
With your hand on your heart, please tell me which way to go, 'cause I sure don't know.
Okay, so I let the owners know we moved, and here's site 15, and it is, I mean, horribly sloped. So much that maybe if you had a short pop-up, you could pull it all the way up to the top and level up, but it was showing I was like 22 inches off. So I thought, well, let's try one of these. I thought, well, let's try Lucky 13. And it was, I think, 12 inches off. So, as you can see, there is nobody here at this park. So, we just took advantage of it, and it's like, you know what? The worst is they could tell us to move. All right, we hear the pups inside. We're gonna fix some dinner, get a night's rest, and head out tomorrow to, well, stay tuned. So we're at this campsite, Granite Hill RV Park. Like I said, there's nobody here. It's very peaceful, but that's a little spooky, to be quite honest with you. So, what I might do is scare Tina. What do you all think? Should I do something to scare her? No, I'll get in trouble. But trust me, it's crossed my mind. Anyway, showed you the park, and my recommendation would be to get sites number 10, 11, maybe 9, probably 8, 9, 10, and 11. So if you're coming here with a group of folks, you might want to try to get this cul-de-sac, if you will. Yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 would all work well, and you would have this area here, right here. And you could rent the cabin too. So if somebody wanted to show up, didn't have an RV, they could stay here. Anyway, here's our site for the night. There was some firewood left in the fire pit, so I'm trying to get it started. All right, we went up to Lookout Mountain. Where you have some chairs, some picnic tables, and you can enjoy a beautiful sunset. What was that? I actually, Tina, I'm serious. I heard something. It might be coyote. Ooh, Bigfoot, maybe. I guess it's Jason. Anyway guys, thanks for joining us on this little mini adventure at, well, this is at Granite Lodge and Campground RV Park in Fort Anne, New York. All right, talk to you soon.